Hello friends, welcome all of you. One of the animated video, namely the nature of electromagnetic radiation, is communicated with you. Once again, today I would like to revise the electromagnetic radiation. The radiant energy emitted by source into the environment is called as the electromagnetic radiation. The radiant energy emitted by source into the environment is called as the electromagnetic radiation. Okay, the example of the electromagnetic radiations are the energy emitted by sun into the environment is an example of electromagnetic radiation. The light or source, energy source emitted by bulb into the environment is also example of the electromagnetic radiation. Candle light is also example of the electromagnetic radiation. Okay, these examples are enough. So electromagnetic radiations are produced by vibrating electric charge. It is produced by vibrating electric charge. It consists of mutually perpendicular electric and magnetic vectors or fields. It consists of mutually perpendicular electric and the magnetic fields which oscillate sinusoidally as the wave is propagated into the space. Okay. Next property. If you believe that the light is traveled in the form of straight line, but this is not true. According to the wave theory, some of the phenomena like interference, refraction, diffraction cannot explain if you assume that the light is travel in the form of straight line. But actually, wave theory says that the light is travel in the form of waves. Okay. Radiant energy emitted by fluctuation of electric charge and the magnetic field. The radiant energy emitted by fluctuation of electric charge and the magnetic field. Electromagnetic radiation have different forms: UV rays, X rays, gamma rays, visible light. These are the forms of the electromagnetic radiation. Next property. The electromagnetic radiations are characterized by terms like wavelength, frequency and wave number, etc. Okay. All types of electromagnetic radiations travels with the same velocity. What I have said, all types of electromagnetic radiations travels with the same velocity. Okay. No medium is required. They can travel through the vacuum. For traveling of the electromagnetic radiation, no medium is required. It can travel through the vacuum. Okay. Visible light when passed through a prism. When the visible light is passed through a prism, it can be split or it splitted up into the seven colors. This phenomenon is called as a dispersion. Likewise, there are 7 regions of electromagnetic radiation. It is called as an electromagnetic spectrum. So, if you understand clearly the electromagnetic radiation, nature of electromagnetic radiation, then the next point is a electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, till this time you have to write. Okay.